All right, so another thing that is very important after leaving a toxic relationship or just a relationship period is to heal and fill the void. So now we've released, but then we might start feel empty, like we're missing something, and you could do this. It's a process, and you definitely have to allow yourself to go through the mourning phases, because it's going to be some more. It's going to be phases. You're going to feel all different kind of ways, I remember I got to the point where I was going through all the phases of grieving and death and dying, like in a minute, like, okay. I would cry for a second. I'd laugh. I'd go through all the phases, right? I'd feel the regret. I'd feel the remorse. I'd feel all of this stuff. And I'd be like, well, damn, I went through that real quick, but then there comes a time where if you don't fill the void, then you're going to feel some kind of way. You're going to feel this longing. You're going to miss and, I'm not saying you're not going to miss the person, right? But you have to fill the void that once was filled with that person's energy, right? Because now you got like this space, this hole. And now you got to fill it with something. What you going to fill it with? Not another person, please. Heal yourself first, so you don't be a bag lady, okay? Or a bag man. Okay? So, one way to fill the void is to envision yourself on an imaginary screen and see yourself, and then see where you see a void. You may see like a shadow. You may see a hole. If you don't see anything, pretend like you see one, okay? And what I want you to do is envision some healing light energy coming from Source Creator, coming from your ancestors, guides, and your angels. And I want you to bring this energy in and direct it right into the void, right into the spot that is not feeling so good, because now somebody is missing. They're no longer there. That energy that they once filled, even if it was negative energy, it was something that ain't nothing there, okay? So you bring all this energy in and you fill the spot. Now this energy could be like ultraviolet whitish light that could come in. Then you could bring in some rosy quartz, loving energy, and that could go in there, and you just fill that space with this healing energy. Fill the void with the healing energy, okay? And I want you to see the energy filling that space. Just fill it all up. And then I want you to see the energy coming into your heart and healing your heart chakra. Heal that heart chakra. Fill that heart chakra. Clear off any stuck, stagnant energy from that heart chakra, okay? And then I want you to see that loving energy go down to your root chakra and heal where your root chakra is, and come up the line all through all your chakras, all the way up to 12, and heal the chakras, right? Fill them with loving energy. Clear off any stuck energy. Clear out any cords, chakra cords that are corded to the other person. Clear them out. Heal where those cords once were, okay? And then I want you to take that same energy of the iridescent ultraviolet light and the rose quartz light, and I want you to fill your auric field with that energy. I want you to call your aura in, because sometimes we leave our aura be so damn big, everybody be all up in our aura. I want you to call your aura in so it's only about 3 feet around you, above you, beneath you, okay? And then I want you to fill that field with this energy, this healing, loving energy. I want you to fill your field with all this energy. And I want you to sit down and just sit in that energy for a good few minutes, okay? And you just sit there. And I want you to show on your face how you feel now that you're loving yourself and you're allowing your collective to love on you, and you have filled the void with that love, okay? And I just want you to be with that and do that as often as you must, okay? All right, I'll see you on the next one.